Take a muffin tin. This is a piece of puff pastry, and this is another muffin tin. Just gonna push this right on top. It actually kind of like sinks in on its own. Once I have that set, I'm gonna peel this up. And look, you've got all these cups to make little quiches. I've got a dozen eggs here to go with these mini quiches. I'm gonna put one egg yolk in each one. This last one looks great. For each one, we're gonna add a little bit of crumbled bacon. Green onions, the top of each one of these. Just use some scissors, super easy. You don't even need to use a cutting board or a knife. Take trusty pizza cutter, got this little one that looks like an axe. Just go up one side and down the other. And then go across. Isn't this easy? Super, super easy to make these little breakfast cups. Go ahead and cut. If there's any excess, get rid of that. Take a little whisk, go in, just mix these together. And then these are gonna go into a 350-degree oven for about 15 to 20 minutes. Look at how these puffed up. They look so good. And because they're puff pastry, they pop out right away. Look at how nice and golden they are. I'm gonna go ahead and take all of these, pop these onto a serving tray. It'll be perfect for like breakfast or brunch or just breakfast for dinner while you're watching TV. This is such a great idea. Little bites. This last one right here. A little bit of ketchup. I don't know what you like to have on your eggs, but I like a little bit of ketchup on mine. I'm gonna take this one. A bit of ketchup there. Take a bite. That is really, really good. You should make these. They're great for like, meal prep too.